Hey guys, how you doing today? Bitcoin Kid here, May 3rd, 2021. Alrighty, welcome to the channel where I keep you updated on the latest cryptocurrency events and I go over my strategy and what I'm doing to invest in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Same thing if you're old, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell to get the latest videos. All right, let's get this started. All right, so in news, Twitter chief Jack Dorsey tweeted about a new update for Bitcoin. It's going to be called Taproot, which will enhance Bitcoin's privacy measures, smart contract flexibility, and the ability to mass complex transactions on the blockchain. Possible upgrade will happen on November 2021. That's awesome. Other new Dogecoin news. Let's see. Trader known as Kaleo says Dogecoin's ascent to $1 is inevitable. He says that Dogecoin is ready to burst through crucial resistance and is ready to print a new all-time high. And we've seen that today. All-time high, 53 cents, I believe. Dogecoin this Saturday, I believe. Elon Musk is going to be on Saturday Night Live, so who knows what can happen. I heard Coca-Cola is supposed to be printing a Dogecoin on their can. I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own math, but I'm definitely going to jump on some Dogecoin. I had some back when it was like like 20th of a cent. I bought it, sold it. I had 20,000. I sold it. I lost money, but long story short, I'm buying back in it again. I'm going to get back in it because hey, you never know, right? Just put a couple $100 in and see what happens. All right. So that being said, Ethereum news. Okay, crypto trader Elliot Wayman says that ETH is just getting started. He says that ETH's base layer protocol for the future of finance and the assets that must simply go up based on its fundamentals. I mean, that is very true. I mean, it's basically going to be, the base layer like you were talking about. All of these new DeFinance apps and programs are all being built on top of Ethereum. So basically, Ethereum is like the internet. It's going to be, basically the what's going to power like the Wall Street of the cryptocurrencies. I mean, all these new things like NFTs, non-fungible tokens. A lot of most coins, like 80+% of all these new tokens, are all based on Ethereum platform. You're seeing like coins like Mana, all these digital, this digital world. Everything's based on ETH. So I mean, basically, Bitcoin is the currency and ETH is the technology, right? So definitely, that's why we're starting to see Ethereum jump. He further explains that the growth is due to starting to have more users on the network than ever before, and it's at it's at a staggering rate. Okay, so he further explains that EIP 1159 upgrade, which I believe is the London upgrade that will happen like in July, that will also make Ethereum's network grow, and it's also going to burn a lot of the fees that we're witnessing right now. If you want to do transactions with Ethereum, sending, receiving, even using like to buy other things like other apps, other tokens, I should say, we're burning using a lot of we're getting a lot of fees. But what this is going to do with the upgrade, instead of like the miners getting the money, it's going to burn Ethereum. So very small amounts, but that's going to now reduce the supply of Ethereum, which is going to make it more expensive, right? Because obviously supply and demand. So the less ETH out there, the higher your ETH is going to be worth, right? So right now I'm sitting on one full ETH coin, trying to get higher, trying to get try to build up more ETH, and the same thing with all these other coins. There's so many coins out there, right? Which one you go with? But stick to like the five major ones. Obviously Bitcoin, you got Ethereum, Dogecoin, and a couple other ones out there. But all right, guys, stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to show you some other pricing, and I'll show you what I'm doing on Bybit. All right, guys, stay tuned. Thanks. Hey guys, all right, we are in Coinbase. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. A couple days ago was $58,986. It had gone to a low as about 53 and change, I believe, and now we're hovering about 54,470. So it just keeps kind of trading sideways. Let's take a look at some other stuff. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Look at this. All-time high, another level, $3,534. Hit a, what was this just the other day, May 3rd? A little bit, May 3rd earlier this morning, 31,066. And now we're right about 3,350. So definitely this is the time to get in before this thing goes to 5K and then 10K from there and plus, right? Okay, so let's take a look at some other stuff here. Binance coin that's going up. Dogecoin, look at this, 53 cents, right? Who would have known? Look at this. Just about last summer was 0.002 cents. It was like a 20th, a fifth of a cent, right? Now all the way up to 53 cents. That was amazing, right? So congratulations if you got in early and kept it and held it. You're making a lot of money right now. That's great. All right, take a look at Cardano, still $1.31. Uniswap, Litecoin going back up. This is another one to look at. I mean, last year, last year, when this was in the, 50, 60, $70 range, now it's 300. Same thing happened with, with Ethereum. It was in the 300 range, and boom, now 3,000. I'm not saying it could happen with Litecoin, but there's a good possibility, right, to definitely go up from here. So keep an eye on that one. Chainlink 46.92, VChain 19 cents. Stellar Lumen's gone up a little bit. These are just some coins that we're looking at that we have kept an eye on. Look at PancakeSwap, $37.73. Maker, look at this one. Maker had gone up all the way to $6,299. Right now, $5,397. These are just some other coins. Hopefully, Coinbase will have Dogecoin, but for right now, you can go to Robinhood. I think Webull has it now. eToro, I believe you can get it. You can get Dogecoin. I'm not exactly sure. Polygon Matic already. It's gone down a little bit. But these are just some of the coins, we're just looking at. Just keep an eye on those coins. And look at the Central Land. This has been going up. Well, went up to $1.42 just yesterday. It's gone down a little bit. But these are just some coins that we're looking at and seeing what's going on. But all right, guys. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go over what I'm doing on Bybit. All right, guys. Thanks again. Hey guys. Okay, so I'm in a trade right now. 54,000. Let me show you. 54,380. I just got into this as a limit order, 10xing. I did a buy long. My liquidation price is 49,662, and this has just been trading sideways like all day, so you can kind of see it's had these from this morning 56,000, 334. When was this? Yeah, this was May 4th, 9 o'clock in the morning. It dipped all the way down, 53,000, then it went back up to 54,764. So I've been kind of trading, trying to catch some of these. I've been a little successful catching a couple of bucks here and there. So now the last trade I was in, it went from 54,818 all the way down here. So I did a limit order. I got in at 54,380, and basically, just if you've never seen this before, you just make sure you're on BTC inverse perpetual. You're doing a 10x right over here. Always good to just stay in around that range. This is where you'll put your order price. So Bitcoin is trading right now at this price. You have to, if to do a limit order, you have to put the price, either it has to be triggered, it has to be below this price. So it could be $1 less, 50 cents less, or $1,000 plus less. Just depends on when you think it will go down and get triggered, and then you put in your contract price, which will be, this will 10x whatever you have in there. Right now I'm in a trade, so I'm using all the money that I have to get into this trade. So that's why nothing's there, or it was very little money. And then you click, make sure it's post only, and then that's pretty much it. You just have to wait. A lot of things that I like to do is I like to watch these numbers here. These yellow, these little flag yellow numbers here. As these are going up, you're going to see this Bitcoin price go up. As they go down, you'll see it go down as well. Let's take a look at this. So also other indicators, when you see these little candlesticks down here, this is like the volume that's pumping. When that's red down here, that you're going to start seeing this come down, just kind of like when this was red. When it's green, it should potentially start going back up again. So I'm hoping, that this is going to go up, maybe back to the 54, maybe another you know, $400 or so. Hopefully, as you can see, it's starting to come down a little bit. So let's take a look at these numbers. 54,229. I'm just gonna kind of leave it here because I just feel like, you know, we're kind of, if you take a look at these, we're kind of, you know, we're trading sideways, but as you can see, we're kind of in a uptrend here. And this is kind of where you want to be. You don't want to be in a downtrend here. You want to start trading here because it's just going to get worse and worse and worse and worse, right? So you definitely, you know, right now we're starting to see some, you know, at least in this period, right? Some higher highs and some higher lows. So if you can kind of take a look at this, you're gonna see like, let's see where right when it dipped, right? It went up a little bit, but then went back down, and now we're starting to see a couple higher highs. So here were the lows. We went up, down again, but not as low as here. We went up again, not as low as here. Up, not as low as here. Down a bit, dip here. This is kind of where we're at, and you know, up again. So you kind of see this line right here. So hopefully it'll stay. There's some support here, and this kind of where this purple line is right here. So there's some support. So hopefully it shouldn't go down too much farther than, you know, 53,900, you know, right around here. And we will go back up again. And so you can see that this is like trending up, right? And we're getting some higher highs as well. So here, you know, in this moment of time, I mean, this is only like a period of, this was from 12:45 p.m. till about right now, so 6 o'clock. So this is like a 5.5 hours, where now we're starting to see like an uptrend. So hopefully, you know, this is where you'll catch some nice gains, you know. And then so what I'm trying to do is, if it goes up like $400, that's like 0.75%, you know, not a full percent. You know, I could make like $15 or $20 or so, you know, on those, you know, that one trade, you know. And so that's kind of where I'm at right now. As you can see, it's kind of dipping down right now, 54,192, and this low was this low over here. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's get a little bit bigger. This was, let's see, we're 53,950. Here we have 54,192. So hopefully, you know, we'll start seeing this go back up from this point. But you never know with Bitcoin. You can start, you know, especially like in a 5-hour period, you know, usually that's when it starts turning around. But, you know, hopefully we'll catch one more, and then we'll wait and see how it goes. All right, guys. So if you have any questions, or if you like these videos, please like and subscribe. And let me know what you think. If you don't have a Bybit account, check my link. There's a referral link there. You get $10. I get $10 of Bitcoin, and we can start trading. All right, guys. Thanks again. If you have any questions, please contact me on Instagram at BitcoinKidUSA. All right. Have a great day, guys. Thank you.